All right, team. So I was up all night and got the garage organized, got this shelf in. So pretty pleased with how it turned out. It's a big ass shelf. And then the lift installation is complete. And also, of course, the engine came in. Woohoo! It's clean, looks amazing. I'm super stoked. So it looks really good. 32,000 miles on this. So also it came with a gas pedal, fuse box, ECU, and then a wiring harness too. So gotta get to work and finish this pull. So just gonna take it one bite at a time, like eating an elephant, and my goal is to have the engine pulled by Friday. And today is Wednesday, technically. It's Wednesday night, so yeah. Anyways, time's kind of blurring. I'm just working on it all day and then sleeping when I get tired. So yeah, we'll see how long it takes. Anyway, cheers guys.